Scientists are now talking about bringing back extinct animals. This is called de-extinction. Some people believe that it could help the planet. They argue that extinct animals could restore balance to damaged ecosystems. However, it is still a new and controversial idea. There are many challenges and ethical concerns to consider. Critics worry about unintended consequences. Bringing back extinct animals raises many questions. Could it actually work? What are the risks? One animal often mentioned for de-extinction is the woolly mammoth. These majestic creatures, with their long, curved tusks and shaggy coats, have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. The idea of bringing them back to life is both thrilling and controversial. These large herbivores lived during the last ice age, a period that ended around 10,000 years ago. They were well adapted to the cold, harsh environments of that era. They roamed across vast areas, including Siberia and North America, leaving a significant impact on the ecosystems they inhabited. Their presence shaped the landscape in ways we're only beginning to understand. Some scientists believe that woolly mammoths could help combat climate change. By trampling down snow and knocking over trees, they could potentially help maintain the permafrost. They argue that mammoths could slow the thawing of permafrost, which is a critical issue as the planet warms. The permafrost contains vast amounts of carbon that, if released, could accelerate global warming. This would prevent the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane, which are trapped in the frozen ground. The release of these gases could have a dramatic impact on our climate. Mammoths could also help restore ancient grasslands. These grasslands, which were once widespread, played a crucial role in the Earth's climate system. These grasslands played a role in regulating the climate by reflecting sunlight and storing carbon. Restoring them could help mitigate some of the effects of climate change. However, it is unclear if these benefits would be significant enough to justify the effort and resources required for de-extinction. The science is still in its early stages and there are many unknowns. Further research is needed to understand the potential impact fully. Scientists are continuing to study the possible ecological benefits and risks of reintroducing woolly mammoths to our modern world. Reintroducing extinct animals could have unpredictable effects on modern ecosystems. These ecosystems have evolved without these animals for centuries. Extinct animals could become invasive species. They might outcompete existing species for food and resources. This could lead to further extinctions or disrupt delicate ecological balances. Introducing new diseases is another concern. Extinct animals could carry pathogens that could harm existing wildlife or even humans. Careful consideration and thorough risk assessments are crucial. Section 4, Nature's Balancing Act: Adaptation or Extinction. It is uncertain whether nature would adapt to the reintroduction of extinct animals. The delicate balance of ecosystems could be disrupted, leading to unforeseen consequences. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand these potential impacts. Ecosystems are constantly changing, but they are also resilient. They have evolved over millennia to withstand various challenges. However, the introduction of species that have been extinct for centuries or even millennia could test this resilience in unprecedented ways. Some species might adapt to the presence of extinct animals, finding new niches or forming unexpected symbiotic relationships. This adaptability is a testament to the incredible versatility of life on Earth. While others might struggle to compete or coexist, the competition for resources could become fiercer, leading to the decline or even extinction of some current species. This could result in shifts in population dynamics and food webs. Predators and prey relationships might change, and the availability of food sources could be altered, affecting the entire ecosystem. The introduction of extinct animals could create new environmental challenges. These challenges might include the spread of diseases, changes in vegetation, and even alterations in the physical landscape. Predicting these challenges is difficult as it depends on the species and the ecosystem. Each ecosystem is unique, and the introduction of a new species can have a range of effects, from minimal to catastrophic, as it depends on the species and the ecosystem. The complexity of nature means that even small changes can have far-reaching impacts, making it crucial to approach reintroduction efforts with caution and extensive research. Section 5. A second chance or a step too far. De-extinction is a complex issue with no easy answers. It involves the resurrection of species that have disappeared from our planet, often due to human activity. This scientific endeavor is both fascinating and controversial. It offers both potential benefits and risks. The idea of bringing back extinct species can be seen as a way to correct past mistakes and restore lost biodiversity. On the one hand, it could help restore damaged ecosystems and combat climate change. Reintroducing certain species could revitalize habitats and promote ecological balance. It could also bring back species that humans have driven to extinction. Imagine seeing a dodo bird or a woolly mammoth once again roaming the earth. On the other hand, it could have unforeseen and potentially harmful consequences for existing ecosystems. Introducing species that have been absent for centuries might disrupt current ecological dynamics. It is crucial to weigh these factors carefully. Scientists and policymakers must consider the long-term impacts and ethical implications of de-extinction. De-extinction raises ethical questions about humans' role in nature. Are we playing God by deciding which species get a second chance? It is important to have a thoughtful and informed debate about its implications. Only